Hi, this is David Jackson with DriTac Flooring Products, here with another quick tip on how you can successfully install your flooring. Today we're going to be talking about Primer 3000. Primer 3000 is a solvent-free, acrylic-based formula utilized to enhance the bond between our adhesives and the subfloor. You can install this over subfloors like concrete, lightweight concrete, gypcrete, plywood, and OSB using a paint roller, a garden sprayer, or a push broom. For best results, I like using a push broom over concrete. You seem to get better coverage and a more even flow of the product. Coverage is going to range between 600 and 800 square feet depending on the subfloor porosity. Drying time is going to be between 1 and 2 hours depending on the job site temperature and relative humidity. Once the Primer 3000 has cured, dry to the touch, you need to install your flooring within 18 hours of application. If not, we highly recommend reapplying Primer 3000. If you have any questions or would like to talk to a technical advisor, please refer to the number listed below or log on to our website for a full selection of our products and technical data sheets. Thanks for watching and stay safe.